Alright, time for some coffee. Wait a minute. This cord always seems to be in the way. Time to install a wall socket. This seems like a good location for it. We'll start by cutting the hole with a fine tool. Now we'll install the box. I'm going to wire this up with an extension cord so I can plug it directly into the inverter. Now I'll punch out the bottom hole to run the wire through. But first I'll install this Romex connector so the wire doesn't pull out of the socket. Time to connect the wires. I chose this box with USB connectors because why not? I like wrapping these sockets with electrical tape just as an added layer of safety. Now just put the socket in the wall. I said put it in the... Oh, too big. Good thing I got back up. Okay, now we can screw it down. And now to finish it off with a nice cover. Now it's coffee time. Thanks for watching The Maker Hack Shack.